Are you heading to a BTS concert in Seoul? Let me show you the easiest way to get from AREX at Seoul Station all the way to Jonggak Station Exit 1. If you're arriving from Incheon Airport, this is probably your first stop, and don't worry. I've got you covered step by step. Once you get off the Airport Railroad Express, you'll be at B3 level of Seoul Station. This area can feel confusing at first, but here's the key. Just follow the signs for Subway Line 1. You'll need to go up to B3, depending on your route. Before you move, this is actually a great place to stop by a convenience store. You can grab a T-money card, drinks, or even quick Korean snacks. Trust me, you'll want some energy before the concert. Now follow the signs to Line 1, dark blue line. If you don't have a T-money card yet, buy a single journey ticket or recharge your card here. Then go through the gate and head to the platform. Take Line 1 heading toward Dongducheon, Uijeongbu direction. From Seoul Station, it's only about 2 stops to Jonggak Station. It's fast and very easy. No transfers needed. Once you arrive at Jonggak Station, follow the signs for Exit 1. There are multiple exits, so make sure you look carefully. When you come out of Exit 1, you'll be right in the heart of central Seoul. From here, you can easily walk or take a short taxi ride to nearby venues and event locations. You'll also find lots of restaurants, cafes, and places to enjoy before the concert. And that's it. Super simple, right? From AREX Seoul Station to Jonggak Exit 1 in just a few easy steps. Enjoy your BTS concert and welcome to Seoul.